Um, Image at top left is typically what we see. It's getting better, but balls are in one place, the bag stands are all in one place. It looks neat, tidy, looks symmetrical. It looks nice. However, it's not in line with how our brains learn. So golfers usually come to the range and they'll take their 7-iron or whatever golf club is their favorite, and they will just rifle through all these balls, usually to the same target. Pretty typical and traditional. The brain's disengaged. We're not optimizing the science of how we learn. And then golfers get this illusion of competence. There's no variability. We're not creating a good environment for them. So there's little or no transfer to the golf course, and hence the age-old, I can't take my range game to the course. Imagine this. So the images show different stations, and so we set up practice in the form of a circuit. So each station is working on something different. We have scorecards up there. We have the golf course. We have some stats and some data. So we're collecting. There's a lot of variability there. And to be honest, it looks like a complete mess. But it's an organized mess. This, as chaotic as it looks, is actually providing most of the things that a golfer needs to learn. And so I took something from a professor that most of you know, Dr. Robert Bjork, and he states that using interleaving practice, adding interference through this random and variable practice style, that we're creating transfer-appropriate processes. Hence, practicing this way, golfers are more likely to take that range game to the golf course.